Stopwatch Act 1. The warning signs, opening shot, slow aerial drone shots of glaciers melting, wildfires raging, flooded cities, and cracked, dry earth. Music, tense, ambient soundtrack. Narrator, VO, this is not a movie. This is not science fiction. This is our reality. Earth, our home, is warming. And we are the cause. Scene 1. What is global warming? Narrator, VO. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the release of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Visuals, graphs showing carbon dioxide concentration since the 1800s, Industrial Revolution imagery. Expert interview, climate scientist, we've increased atmospheric carbon dioxide levels by more than 50% since the pre-industrial era. The result is a planetary fever. Scene 2. The greenhouse effect explained animation segment, sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere. Some is reflected, some is absorbed. Normally, heat escapes back into space. But greenhouse gases trap this heat, warming the planet. Scene 3. Earth's symptoms footage, coral bleaching, polar bears stranded, Australian bushfires, Amazon deforestation. Soundbite. Victims from climate disasters recount personal losses. Narrator, VO. From the poles to the equator, the signs are clear. The planet is in distress. Stopwatch Act 2. The human hand. Scene 4. How we got here. Montage. Fossil fuel discovery, industrial growth, deforestation, car production, agriculture boom. Narrator, VO. We built our world on coal, oil, and gas. We altered rivers, raised forests, and filled the skies with emissions. Expert interview, historian. Progress came at a price. And we are now facing the bill. Scene 5. The role of industry in government. Archival footage, oil company ads from the 70s, government policies, whistleblowers. Narrator, VO. Despite decades of warnings, fossil fuel companies lobbied to delay action. Some governments enabled them. Clip, 1988 James Hansen testimony to US Congress. James Hansen, archive audio. The greenhouse effect has been detected, and it is changing our climate now. Scene 6. Climate inequity footage, droughts in Africa, floods in Bangladesh, rising sea levels in the Pacific Islands. Narrator, VO. The poorest nations, contributing the least to the problem, suffer the most. Interview, climate refugee. The ocean took our village. We didn't cause this, but we are paying for it. Stopwatch Act 3. The science speaks. Scene 7. What the data says. Visuals, IPCC reports, NOAA charts, satellite data comparisons. Expert interview, IPCC scientist. Every fraction of a degree matters. 1.5 degrees Celsius isn't just a number. It's the line between disruption and catastrophe. Scene 8. Tipping points and feedback loops. Animation, ice albedo effect, thawing permafrost, ocean current disruption. Narrator, VO. Nature has thresholds. Pass them, and the damage becomes irreversible. Scene 9. Wildlife in peril footage, animal migrations disrupted, extinctions, changing habitats. Wildlife biologist interview. We are living through the 6th mass extinction, and it's human-driven. Stopwatch Act 4. Turning point. Scene 10. Resistance and awakening footage, Greta Thunberg protests, climate strikes, indigenous leaders defending forests. Greta Thunberg, clip, our house is on fire. Narrator, VO. Young voices refuse to stay silent. Activists, scientists, and citizens are demanding a new path. Scene 11. Solutions and innovation footage, solar farms, wind turbines, electric cars, sustainable farming. Narrator, VO. The tools to fight climate change already exist. Engineer interview, from green hydrogen to carbon capture, technology can help. But policy must lead the way. Scene 12. The energy transition footage, Germany's Energiewende, Costa Rica's renewable success, Biden's Inflation Reduction Act. Narrator, VO. Countries that invest in clean energy will lead the future. Stopwatch Act 5. The path forward. Scene 13. What can you do? Narrator, VO. Global warming is a global challenge, but change begins locally. With you. Tips displayed on screen. Reduce meat consumption, switch to renewables, use public transit, vote for climate leaders, plant trees, educate others. Scene 14. A message of hope montage. Communities restoring ecosystems, children planting trees, cities going green. Narrator, we are the first generation to feel climate change, and the last who can do something about it. Final quote, David Attenborough. Clip, if working apart we are a force powerful enough to destabilize our planet, surely working together we are powerful enough to save it.